Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox the Betron B650S stereo in-ear headphones, or earphones. So let's first take a look on the outside of the box. The headphones come in 3 different finishes. This one is the gold finish. It also comes in silver and gunmetal. So now let's open up the box. Okay, just make sure there's nothing else inside the box. Okay, and it comes with some earbuds, and there's a little carry pouch there, or carry case. And let's see what's inside there. Magic beans, maybe? Okay, looks like more earbuds. Be careful. Make sure they don't roll away. Okay, oop, there we go. That's, it's there. Okay, and there's a cord clip as well, or wire clip. And the various size earbuds for maximum comfort and fitting. And there's actually a pair here which are memory foam ones, which are pretty cool. So you get the best or optimal fit. And they pop right back into shape. So here are the earbuds of different sizes. And there we go, I've dropped another one. Okay. Oop, and another one. Don't worry about those. Okay, so there are 2 more in there. And let's have a look at the actual earphones or headphones. And let's undo this tie here to get a sense of the length of the earphone cords. Actually, let's have a look at the actual 3.5mm gold-plated jack as well. Okay, so that's the run of the cord. Let's remove the earphones from the plastic tray. And let's have a close-up look of the actual earphones. They're actually pretty light. They are rather light earphones. Okay, so there we have it. The Betron B650S stereo in-ear headphones or earphones. Thanks for watching and happy listening.